In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger's DNS Zone Editor, step-by-step 2025 guide. To get started, sign into your Hostinger account and head to the H panel. In the left navigation, open the domains area and choose Domain Portfolio. From there, locate the exact domain you want to work with. When you see it, click Manage. On the page that opens, look to the sidebar, choose DNS Name Servers, and then open the DNS Records tab. This tab is your control center for everything DNS on that domain. With the DNS Zone Editor open, adding a new record is straightforward. Click to add a record and first choose the record type you need. A records point your domain or subdomain to an IP address. CNAME records point one hostname to another, which is common for things like www. MX records tell the internet which mail servers handle your email. TXT records are often used for verification or security settings like SPF. For the name or host field, use the @ symbol to apply changes to the root domain. If you're configuring a subdomain, type just the sub part, like www or blog, without the domain itself. In the content or target field, enter the exact value required, such as an IP address, a mail server hostname, or a verification token, depending on the record type. TTL stands for time to live and controls how long servers cache the record. It's usually best to keep the default, often around 14,400 seconds, unless a service provider specifically instructs you to change it. When everything looks correct, click Add Record to save. If you need to adjust existing records, scroll through the list or use the filters by name or type to narrow things down. When you find the one you want, click Edit, make your change carefully, and choose Update to apply it. If a record is no longer needed, use the Delete button to remove it. Be cautious with deletions, especially for A, MX, and TX records that services depend on. If something goes wrong or you simply want to roll back to a known good setup, go to the DNS History tab. You'll see dated snapshots of your DNS zone. Select the date you want to restore, review the details so you know exactly what will change, acknowledge the notice, and click Restore DNS Zone. This will revert your records to that snapshot. After any change, remember that DNS updates can take time to propagate globally, sometimes up to 24 hours. That's normal, so give it a little time, and that's how to use Hostinger's DNS Zone Editor with confidence. Thanks for watching.